class 12th. I hope you all are good. I am Yogita Singh, teaching you political science. Students, today I am going to cover a very important topic, that is development and planning, which comes under your chapter 3 of part B, that is politics of planned development. As you know that when we got the independence, our economic and political condition was not at all satisfactory. Our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, took many initiatives in the phase of planning and development. So today, in this video, I am going to explain about the planning process and the various plans post-independence. So when we talk about the planning and development, the very first thing which comes in our mind is idea of development. Basically, it is a modernization. It was associated with the ideas of growth, material growth, and scientific rationality. However, India adopted mixed economy, in which some characteristics of liberal capitalist model and some are of socialist, as in USSR. When we talk about the Planning Commission is an institution formed by the government of India. It formulated its 5-year plans. It is dissolved in 17th August 2014 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. It is now replaced by a new institution known as Niti Aayog. Planning Commission prepares strategies to provide adequate means of livelihood for every man and women. It is a kind of advisory in nature and it is very powerful to be known as Economic Cabinet of country. When we talk about the Bombay Plan, it is a plan for the economic development of India. It was drafted in 1944 in the want of states to take major initiatives in the industrial and other economic investments. A 5-year plan has the advantage of permitting the government to focus on the larger picture and make long-term intervention in the country. When we talk about the first 5-year plan, 1951 to 56, it sought to get the country's economy out of the cycle of poverty. K. N. Raj, a young economist involved in drafting this. The second 5-year plan, 1956 to 61, was drafted by P.C. Mahalanobis. The objectives of this particular 5-year plan was large expansion of industries, increase in national income, rapid industrialization and reduction in inequalities. The third 5-year plan, 1961 to 66, was not much different from the second 5-year plan. Critics pointed out that the plan strategies from this time around displayed an unmistakable urban bias. It was more precise content to the social objectives of the constitution. The objectives are subsidies and helps, more stress to agriculture, effective use of resources. So basically, Planning Commission is a decision-making body which helps the government of India for opted its planning, policies and strategies, mainly in various sectors like agrarian sectors, economic sector, irrigation sectors and so on. Thank you students for watching this. I hope you liked the concept and you got it more clearly. So in the next upcoming video, I am going to tell you about the mixed economy and its outcome. Thank you so much.